Hello, welcome to Way Programming channel. Today we are going to look at the do case statements. In our previous video, I have shown you how to use if statement to build a program that can calculate our electrical bill. Today we are going to see another selection statement. Control statement actually divided into consists of two type of statement. One is selection, the other one is repetition. So in selection statement, we saw the first one, the if-elseif statement. The second one is do case statement. Do case is will execute one of the several alternative blocks of statements, and it will be easier if we use do case statement for many cases. Is simpler compared to if-elseif. So at first we must have a condition. So do case will do the statement under the conditions if the condition is fulfilled. For example, here you can see we put a variable and usage equals to 80. So then start with do case statement. If n usage is less than 50, the discount is 0.15, which is 15%. And if n usage less than 100, the discount is 10%. And if case n usage is greater or equal to 100, the discount is only 5%. So in our previous example, we did a calculation on the electricity. Actually, we can use, instead of if-elseif statement in the previous program, we can just change this statement to do case. The rest of the program will be the same, only this part we change it to do case, as we see here. So the front part determining the reading are the same, and when come to allocation reading to usage block, we change them from if just now into case, do case. When you start with do case, there are many cases, and at the end there must be an end case. In if and else if statements that we saw before, that we used before also, it must have a end if. So for case, it must have a end case. If you look back at the syntaxes now, there is another choice that we can do, is to put statements if all the other condition was not fulfilled. So these otherwise statements will be executed when others are not fulfilled. Okay, so we can go back to the program that we used previously. The main form here, we just use it back, but of course we need to change the name, because now we create another program. If we want to use back the old program, also can. Then we don't need to change the name of the forms. Here I changed it to EBU case. Before this it was only EBU. So I need to change all the names that were using EBU. We change the new form name, which is EBU case. and the rest are actually almost the same. Okay, so we just change the PRG here to a new PRG that is using two case statements. Okay, we try to compile and see if it is running. Okay, now we see a new form is built. Let's say the new reading is 1231 and the old reading is 1060. So the cost calculated is 37.28. Okay, if the new reading is more, for example, so the usage becomes 371, you'll be divided into 200, 171, and the total cost is 113.64. Okay, so this is the example in do case for today. I hope you will try it out. See you and thank you. If you like the program, please subscribe and share. Bye.